Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your eTrade account. First, open your web browser and go to the official eTrade website. Once the page loads, look for the Log On button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click this button, and then you will see a field where you need to enter your unique user ID. After entering your user ID, the next step is to carefully input your password into the designated field. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check your entry. Once both your user ID and password are correct, click the Log On button to proceed. You might then be prompted to complete additional security verification, such as two-factor authentication, to ensure your account's safety. If you encounter any issues logging in, first verify that your user ID and password are typed correctly. If you've forgotten either, use the Forgot User ID or Forgot Password links available on the login page to reset them. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve unexpected login problems, allowing you to access your account smoothly. To further secure your eTrade account, always enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. It's also a good practice to regularly update your password, making sure it's strong and unique. For more great tips and deals, including where to find an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated, please check the description below this video. Keeping your account secure is paramount for your financial well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.